This is the ATTACK 2 Ruggedized Smartwatch. Lots of controls in here. Brightness, do not disturb, alarms, find your phone. You've got blood pressure readings, heart rate, continuous reading with a chart. You've got weather that's pushed to you from your phone in your area, last night's sleep information, and of course, step count, calories burned, and distances traveled. You've got a sports section with a variety of activities. No GPS in this one, but you do have quite a few different sporting activities. Again, like the tiles, the step count, sleep, heart rate, and blood pressure are there. Notifications, which you can get through from a swipe, are also here. An alarm clock. You got a stopwatch and a countdown timer. Remote music player. There's no speaker on here, but you can control the speaker on your phone from here. You have find your phone, and if you're registered as a female, you've got all of your cycle information, remote photography, weather, and of course overall settings for the basic stuff, including switches that you can use to turn on and off a lot of the different functions. You got a few different watch faces. All in all, it's a really nice, ruggedized, very thick, very good sized battery in this one. You're going to get a lot of fun use out of it this summer. It's the ATTACK 2. Check it out.